Hello. Dito tayo kakain sa Pumasia Vietnam food. Hanggang huli dito rin tayo nakakain.
Shrimp pork, veggie burger. Yan yun.
Ayan.
Pakuha ka din ng isa. Wala mo na yung dalawa.
Not available eh. Dito. Ito sa akin ng 306 na lang.
Crunchy.
306. Anong burger? Ayun. Ayan pala eh. Meron pala dito eh.
Shrimp fried rice.
Mm. Order na kayo?
Ito, popcorn.
Grabe yung order.
Can I get a to go? To go. Container.
Extra bowl? Ito.
No, I can just use chocolate.
This is good for two people. This is good for two people.
2 people there.
It's so cheap. It's just $19. It's already good for two.
I should have good for two.
Thank you.
Later.
Yung chopstick.
Huh?
Dito ko na ito lalagay pa. Lagay ko na ito dyan.
Huh?
Lagay ko na ito dyan.
Alin, yung isa?
Oh.
Ang isa. Uy! Sigurado hindi mauubos eh.
Bigyan ko na ng ano.
Bigyan mo ng konti. Nari. Guntingin mo. Kunin mo yung gunting. Asan yung gunting? Ay, ito, itong gunting.
Pa.
Hmm? Sabaw.
Natapon?
Ah.
Tama na. Yung order kong sipo. Ayan. Dami.
But if you were
Sipo.
like Messi and Ronaldo,
Kaso hindi lang.
they're like the
Marami no?
they're like I think overall even if you go around they are the
Pagkagas
highest
yan, matulog ka na ulit sa bukas.
followed person on internet.
Kala-
But football is pretty big in like all around the world. If people like say let's say basketball, that's like mostly in US or like some other countries. Like you guys know about basketball.
He doesn't know basketball.
You know?
I know basketball, but I don't play.
He doesn't know the player.
But it's popular in Philippines, right? Yeah, it's the biggest sport.
The biggest sports used to be baseball during Spanish. No,
baseball and basketball. That's your major sport.
Not baseball and like stuff. We don't even have our international team for basketball.
So just basketball,
Volleyball.
volleyball.
Volleyball as well, but it's not international level. We have one team international.
Volleyball is popular in Brazil, especially the beach. I don't know, if you see Brazilian people, they're just born with the talent, like with the, especially with the ball, either it's football or volleyball.
Oh, one sport that I wanted to try, but I'm too scared and I'm pretty sure my mom's not gonna let me. Is sepak takraw.
Sepak?
That's
I've
a
heard of it.
That's a Filipino.
Yeah, that's our national sports.
What's that?
A ball.
It's basically volleyball, but only with legs.
Oh, the Australian player, Shane Warne. If you see his clips, he makes the ball like turn like easily 40 degrees from the point. It's like this. And like in India, there was the best player we had was Sachin Tendulkar. So he was like one of the best of best, he was the best of best ever. Like he needs to struggle against him sometimes.
Ilagay ko na lang lahat to.
Oo.
Cricketers are even bigger than the movie players, movie stars there. So we have a league called IPL. It's like three months. It's right now it's running.
Ang hirap
So
ay.
whoever is playing there, if you
Kamayin ko na lang.
Paano mo ito ilalagay? Wala kang container.
Hindi, mangingi tayo. Ang init, pinapapulsan ako. Sa'yo yan.
Kay Suhel yan.
Ah, Suel is yours.
Yours.
No, it's not mine.
Yours.
Nope.
Yan kay Direk.
It came
Ah,
with
sa akin.
It came with uncle's.
Kainin nyo ito? Dito. Diyan mo kakainin yan na ka?
Yeah.
Hindi na. Lagay mo kaya dyan.
Himayin na lang. Sana
This
lagyan
one
dito.
is easy for 3 people.
That's not even that expensive.
Dapat himayin. Kasya pa ba?
The price.
Hindi na. Aapaw na yan, oh.
Mangita.
You can't even eat that.
Do you have a container for this?
And then,
Yeah,
you
take it.
have to have a container for this as well.
It's too much to sample. Pinapawisan na ako.
This is good, no? See? It's only one seafood, and then look at the rules.
What is it? Hotel? Motel?
I don't know. But I can see the front of the house.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I will put now. Ready?
Yeah. Is it curiosity?
I saw it into bed.
Ah.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Ba't mo nilagay doon? Dapat dito mo lang nilagay yan.
Oo, mabababad to. Tanggalin mo.
Saan mo bababay?
Ito.
Ah, it's for
The one that I'm looking that is just near in the area is gone now.
See here, this is right here. We'll go home and look for it.
Tapos nakikita.
Hmm.
This is the only place where I like the tea. Otherwise, I don't drink tea anywhere.
Ah, naka-record pala tayo. Kanina pa.
I'm really not a big fan of tea. Like I can drink it if I put honey.
Me, I drink the tea with milk and sugar, but I can drink like people drink black tea. Not my kind of tea.
Oh, I can drink black tea if it's milk tea, but I can't drink green tea with milk.
No, it doesn't taste milk.
I tried it before in the Philippines. Like there's like this popular milk tea shop, and you get to choose if you want black tea or cream. I tried green tea
Ah.
once. I didn't like it.
I never like green tea. The tea we have, I don't know what they call it, but it's more of a
Have you
black
tried their
herbal
chai
tea.
tea then? Have you tried their chai tea?
Not chai tea. Chai means tea. But I don't know why they use the chai tea there. But it's chai itself is tea. So this is a thing like tea tea. The chai tea itself is not like even like actual the tea isn't even like come close. I would say maybe it's 50% almost, but not accurate. I remember the best little close.
Oh, let's go na.
I don't remember what you call it.
Wala tayo bibili na?
Wala naman ng bukas.
Wala na. Uwi na tayo. Tara, ikaw na? O, tara na. Ah, nakakain na.